I would say the number of sites is one of the bigger factors. It is very scope dependent. We don't necessarily just look at the org size and say, oh, 25-person headcount, here's your cost. 250, here's your cost. 1,000, it is definitely scope dependent because you can have a massive enterprise organization. They've only set up a small enclave and there's a handful of personnel and other assets that are touching it. That's a small scope. Large enterprise, small scope. And vice versa. You can have a small 50-person company, but every person is in scope and there's multiple locations and there's physical QE with drawings at multiple different sites touching a bunch of different like operational technologies. Like there's all sorts of ways that headcount and scope can be kind of inversely proportional. But I would say in general, I would say this for A-LIGN and from my knowledge on the general C3PAO market, I think we're seeing most assessments fall somewhere between that like $40,000 to $80,000 range, just as like a rough order of magnitude. That's our quotes, but then also like competitively, and when I talk to others in the space that I know, that's generally where people are pricing. Are there some six-figure scopes? Yes, we have seen them. I've seen them with other C3PAOs. Those are, again, exceptionally rare and massive scopes that are unique. But the small, typical DIB organization, no, you will not be receiving like a six-figure quote. You're probably on the lower end of that to where you're looking at needing to budget in like a $40,000 to $60,000 assessment.